If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Alright, so this is something that we want to see for JASMY. This is now something really good. Number one, use a stop loss for JASMY at 3404, okay? Because for the first time, this is what I've been stressing out again and again and again and again. What you want to see for JASMY is a break of a pattern. So never broke here, never broke there, never broke here. Now it's visible you did break here and you are starting to flip to the upside. So that's really good, really good. But I still want to warn you that we are not done just yet. To continue higher, I'm going to tell you a technical target which you can trade for 40% to the upside, because hear me out. Still you have this support right there. Break to the downside, come up here, you can still make that resistance there and also continue lower, because your technical target still doesn't get eliminated. Let me tell you one thing. Here's how I'm going to finish your confusion right now, so allow me to do that. And that is, on the weekly, I'm still going to tell you to be careful, because this is your big massive support and this can still be your resistance, okay? And how this week can end to the downside also matters, and I'm going to tell you what we can do. So you have a bearish rectangle right there which has a technical target to go down to 1773. That is in play, still in play, regardless of you doing the following. So hear me out. Regardless if you do this, wait, before I tell you that, if you end up coming up to 14588, you're not going to come down there. This is going to be terminated because you destroyed and invalidated that pattern, okay? That's the first thing. The second thing is, let's talk about the daily. And if you look at the daily, we have this pattern forming up, and somehow if you break out of here, backtest it, you're going to break the weekly resistance and the daily resistance. So you take the trade from there to there and you're looking for a move up to 5532, and that will be a technical target. And that's pretty much it for this update. And use a stop loss at 3404, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. But you still need to wait for that break to the upside and a confirmation as well. And that's pretty much it. Allah Hafiz.